How to share an online Excel workbook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Excel workbook in the web. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Then click on share at the top right, and then click on share again. After you click on share again, it will open this page. Here, add a name, group, or email of the person you want to send it to. Click on the person. At the bottom, you can add a message as well. If not, press on send. After you press on send, it will be sent to the person and you're good to go. This is how to share an online Excel workbook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.